Ryan. How's it going, man?
Doing so good.
I am doing so awesome right now because the comic book community is just so nice. They're so kind.
Very generous.
I'm feeling the love.
Me too.
We have 4 boxes here because the comic book community sent us some stuff.
We send some stuff, and occasionally we get some stuff in the mail.
That's right.
How does that work?
Well, sometimes it's gifts.
Mm-hmm.
Other times it's to give back to the community, whether it be in the mail call, raffles. You know, we find out after we open the box.
I've got no idea what's in here. These are still sealed.
We have blades, so let's make that happen. The audience knows that they don't have to do this.
No.
And that we're not asking people to send us stuff. We have enough comics and everything.
We can make the mail call work without your help.
It'll be okay. But you know what? It is so cool to see community involvement.
Right.
So that we can make the mail call that much better.
We get community involvement with the artwork that goes out in the mail call too, but this takes it to a whole nother level.
Exactly. It's really nice. So I'm excited. And, sometimes there are gifts in here. If it says that it's a gift, we do respect that.
Of course.
And make sure that goes home.
What you got? What you got?
Okay, so this is really fun because first off, this is my...
Yep, I
this is my
recognize the box.
This is my box. And inside the box is my packaging. So this is a mystery mail call member.
Mm-hmm.
So shout out.
So we got a letter in here. Hey gang, first off, I love the channel, especially your read-alongs and recommendations. It has broadened my comic horizons a ton. Me too, to be fair.
Yeah, same.
Never would have read Ant-Man or Constantine. I've been looking forward to having a chance to contribute to the mail call for a while now, and I'm beyond excited to send the books I've enclosed. They come from a guy who I'm fortunate enough to be local to, and my local shop has him in to do signings pretty often. Ooh. Keep them for yourselves or throw them into the mystery mail call. It's up to you. Just remember to geek responsibly. All the best to you, Ryan, Russ, Louise, and your new person, Aaron.
Hey.
Keep up the great work. It's appreciated. Kyle Carson, Wonder Slush.
Hey, Wonder Slush, the homie. We
Much
appreciate
love.
you. Much love. This costs there's a price of $14 to ship this one.
Whoa.
Yeah. Priority, medium, flat rate.
That's
up to
crazy.
50 pounds.
X-Men Grand Design.
Ooh, heck yeah.
Looks like they are signed as well by Mr. Ed Pisker.
Oh, very cool. Let me see. Oh, that's awesome. Dated 2018, there's both number 2. And I really like this cover.
Yeah, that half and half.
You know who did a quick review on it?
Buddy Nature.
Buddy Nature.
Buddy Nature did.
That's right.
I do know that. Yep.
That's you knew where I was going with that. I saw him do that review.
I did
so
too.
shout out Buddy Nature.
Good choice.
Heck yeah.
That's an
That
awesome
was
book.
Really nice of you. Thank you so much, Wonder Slush.
All right, these are definitely going to go in the mail call. I remember him talking to me when he was waiting in line for these ones.
Yeah, how nice of him to do that.
Yeah.
Wait in line and then send that in to us. That's crazy. So we're going to give that back to the community. Look out for that in upcoming mail calls. Hey, Tom, Russ, and Ryan. I just recently joined the mystery mail call and received my first box in August. Love what you guys are doing for the comic community. Can't wait to see the top 10 list every week and all the other content you put out. I had an extra Silver Surfer 50 and ASM 212 along with some others I wanted to donate to you to use in the mystery mail call or other giveaways. Keep up the great work and as always, geek responsibly.
No.
Randy Ransnake. All right. Oh, okay. Very cool. We got Silver Surfer 50. He mentioned
recognize that.
Silver Surfer 50. And did he say ASM 212?
Right?
That's Hydra Man.
Is it?
Yeah, that's that made
blowing up right now, right?
Yeah. He sent us a first appearance of Hydra Man. Holy smokes. Very cool.
Why not?
Oh my, hey, this is a first appearance of Cleus Cassidy.
Ooh.
I believe it may be a second appearance, but this is a minor
It's right around the right time period.
pre-Carnage key. Very cool. ASM 246. 347. Look at that freaking
love that
Venom
cover,
cover,
yep.
man. That's
This
classic.
is one of my favorites.
We have 250, 381. It's a really good ASM run right here. Randy, thank you so much for sending us this batch of comic books. Silver Surfer 50, we made a video on this.
Feels like forever ago now.
It does. This is actually a really, I'm like, oh, heck yeah.
Yep.
I really wanted this issue now after we made that video. And heck, ASM 212. This is a hot book right now.
That is very hot.
Wow. I'm feeling pretty good.
It's a nice hefty dose of Spidey over there.
What do you got over there, Ryan?
I've got box 3 out of 4 that we're opening tonight.
Okay, what do we got?
Let's figure it out.
Ooh, it's a red note. I appreciate the notes so we can find you and put you on the screen.
Let you do that.
Let me do that. All right. You bring goodness to the world. And it's Superman.
Yes, it is.
All right. That's
love
what it says
Superman.
here. So lucky to know a heroic kid like you. Just wanted to thank you guys for all the information you provide to the comic book community. I hope you enjoy my local honey. I've been... Wait, he said this honey?
That's what's in here.
Is there honey in there?
Yeah. It's because you're so sweet.
Okay. All right. I've been beekeeping for 3 years and I love it as much as I love comic collecting. Voted best tasting honey in Illinois at the state fair.
That's awesome.
Thanks, Jason Perry.
Honey?
Jason Berry. He got us some honey.
Not one, but two.
Well, that's actually really cool, man.
Yeah.
Would you look
I'm
at
going to
that?
actually use honey now.
I'm going to 100% use this. This is JB's honey, pure raw honey. Wow. I'm super stoked. I'm going to try some right now. It's sealed. Is it safe?
Probably.
It's
if
safe.
not, you know,
Look at this. It's sealed.
it's nice knowing you.
It's got a label on it and everything.
That's very professional.
It is. I'm going to try some. Oh, this looks like good honey.
I don't want to go down that road. That's
All right. Oh, that's good honey, dude.
okay. I gotta open it now.
Dude, try some of that honey.
Open it now.
Dude.
This is weird.
This is really weird. This is awesome, though. This is really good honey.
Oh, damn.
That's like really good,
Okay. Yep.
right?
I would vote that the best at the state fair.
Heck yeah.
Just start putting honey on stuff.
I'm like, I'm going to put honey on all my things. We're going to be at Rose City with our honey, like walking around.
Yep.
We got JB's honey. Well, hey, thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was a really fun surprise there. All right, so let's see what this is. Oh, look at this. We have some stickers. I recognize these stickers.
What's up?
Remember, we've done an unboxing from this person, Lone Wolf. We've
Did
gotten
we?
this before, yeah. Well, we got something from Lone Wolf Attire. Again, this is from S. Sanchez. Tom, here are some more books. Hope they can go out to some happy customers. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, sir.
Nice little assortment of stickers here, too.
Yeah, they do good work. Those are some
Yeah.
quality stickers. Ooh, all right. Oh my gosh, Ryan, we got this huge stack of books. Thank you so much, sir. What are some highlights in here? We have like some awesome X-Men. We got some Spawn in here. We got First Angela.
Yeah. That's right.
That's awesome.
Just
Spawn number
giving
10.
that away.
Oh, and then
Some Scotty Young covers.
Scotty Young, and we made a video on this one too. Very,
Check it out.
very cool. Oh, and the comic fam is gonna love getting an ASM McFarlane Hulk in the mail call. Thank you so much, comic fam, for like donating. This is just making the community like it's just so much fun.
Opening these makes everything feel real.
Yeah,
Does that
it doesn't
make sense?
Yeah, no, it's a good way to
Yeah.
put it, Ryan. It really does. Like, see, like there's legit keys in here that people are after that I was like looking for in bins to like try to do giveaways with.
Right.
You know, it's like to try to find these for the hunt. You know, hunting them for the comic fam and seeing them just send it to our PO box.
Why not?
By the way, it's Tom Garcia, PO Box 574 here in Lake Stevens, Washington. If you ever want to donate something to the community, feel free to send any donations there. We do appreciate anything you do send, and make sure to put a note inside if you want it read on camera.
Or if you don't.
Yes.
That's another thing.
Good point. Good point. That does happen sometimes.
Yeah.
We do appreciate you, though. Wow. Look at all these.
Yeah, we come in here and make these videos, and this kind of drives home the fact that there's other people. There's people on the other end of the camera, you know, sending us stuff back, giving us love.
Yeah, it feels good. I'm excited to be able to do more giveaways, more raffles, and more fun things. We're just really starting to grow right now.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to have you here with me, Ryan.
Well, thank you, sir. Excited to be here.
Awesome comic book community that we have.
Geek responsibly, my friends.
Enough said. Thanks so much for watching the video. Take a look at these awesome Steranko covers that someone cut out. It's like the worst feeling in the world, but this is the kind of stuff that I deal with on the regular. Oh well, I'm gonna keep doing it for you guys. Hit the subscribe button and we'll be seeing you soon.